Hello everyone, welcome to the demo for Experiments Management on NNI. In version 2.0, NNI supports Experiments Management on WebUI, and Add All Experiments Management page. This page will display all the experiments on your machine, and helps you switch between different experiment detail pages easily and directly. Let's try it. Open the WebUI of an experiment. Click the tab All Experiments on the navbar to enter the management page. On this page, you can see all the experiments on your machine, and get their status and relevant information. If there are too many experiments on the table, you can use the filter button. Even search for them by name or ID. When you want to see more details about an experiment, you could click the trial ID. Remind that only clicking those experiments with blue ID is valid. In this way, you can switch to its overview page without any additional operation. In the future releases, NNI will support more features, such as manipulating historical experiments directly on the experiment management page. Welcome to communicate with us in the GitHub community.